Hi everyone, this is Dr. Cortez. Today, I'm going to discuss yung tatlong klase ko ng parallel activity. I have three activities. Yung una, para sa mga financial management subject, no? Subject, ito yung mga para pang mga IS and second year students. Yung pangalawa naman, yung para sa mga marketing subjects like microeconomics, international business, HRM, tapos yung sa mga MIS and NTREP students. Yung pangatlo naman, ito yung para sa mga research subjects ko like marketing research, feasibility study, research in HMTM, and research in education. So, tingnan nyo kung saan kayo mag-fall dito. Nakalagay naman dito sa mga activities ko kung sino yung mga subjects na covered ng isang particular activity.
Dr. Cortez. Going to reiterate, discuss the parallel activity. Ito yung mga these parallel activities for those subject with financial management. Financial management subject hindi program. So for this SEM, may mga financial management subject sa akin ay yung mga BS IT and BSBA second year students, mga Finman. Itong every Saturday at 1 o'clock. So yung activity title is Case Analysis for Financial Management subject. So may format naman dito, no? So first thing to be done, mga hindi sasama sa EDUCTOR, mga financial management subject, IS, and BSBA. So look for a company, local company in Pampanga kasi nga, dapat katinapos parallel, yung skills or knowledge na nakuha ng mga sumali doon, sumama, dapat magkaroon din kayo. Sa kanila, diba, team building, kanilang mga skills na makukuha dun. So for you guys as financial subject. So finance company, finance cooperative or pawn shop or rural bank or any lending institution na kanilang business ay connected sa finance. Kasi financial management subject. Dapat nakabase sa Pampanga. Now, no need to go to Pampanga, pero pag may, dapat yung business nakabase sa Pampanga. So, matatrace natin yon kasi you are going to show me, you're going to attach as proof, as evidence, yung kanilang registration. Kung saan sila nakaregister, dapat nakalagay doon Pampanga. Yun. Now, kung yung owner, if you have a way to interview face-to-face or online yung owner or meron ko yung data from the website, so pwedeng gamitin yon basta Pampanga yan. So I will not accept right away kung hindi nakabase sa Pampanga. At pag hindi sa lending or finance institution, hindi ko sa natanggapin. So bullet number 2, present proof that the company is in Pampanga, yung base registration, vicinity, map, pangalan ng owners, contact number ng owners, yung address na Pampanga, and proof of interview, it's either video or photo. And you should know mga encountered problems nila, issues, challenges from financial perspective point of view. Kaya nagagawa niya ng case analysis, mga challenges or problems. So meron man ditong basta complete ng photo documentation or video And these are the format, the introduction. Alagi naman dyan basta example, introduction, ano naman like not more than 10, around 10 pages, mga 9 pages, 10, 11 pages. Yun yung case analysis. and that should be submitted in September 14. So yung the format naman ayun. So you may look for samples sa mga sa online, samples ng mga case analysis with this format. Sample objectives. So ang objectives hindi lang isa. Mga 4 objectives. Important dito, your conclusion. How are you going to address the challenges or problems or issues ng company? So printed in short band, submitted. So we have the specifications naman. So that is for financial management subject. Ito naman yung para sa mga marketing subjects. Ito naman ay case analysis din. Mga subject kasama dito, entrepreneur management, international business, yung MIS, microeconomics, and yung human resource subject. So yung mga subject na kasama dito, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Ito yung para sa mga BSB first year, may mga micro. BSB second year, may mga HRM subject. International business, and mga third year students sa may mga entrepreneur management naman and MIS. So dito naman sa inyo, ganun din, look for an SMES in Pampanga din, local business in Pampanga. So ganun din yung instruction dito, located in Pampanga. Through their registration, base registration form, malalaman natin doon kung sa Pampanga talaga to. Naka-base. So, service-based business, retailing, or manufacturing. So, it present a proof that the company is really in Pampanga located, like business registration, vicinity map, pangalan ng owners, contact number ng owners. Kasi tatawagan natin sila kung talagang na-interview sila. Base address or proof of interview, video recording, or photo. Ito naman ay problems naman or or issues na connected sa marketing, connected sa human resources. So mamili kayo dito. Pag marketing subject mo, yung micro, for example, international business sa marketing. Pag human resource management naman subject mo, human resource problems. Pag MIS ka naman, so yung operational problems naman ang iyong hanapin. And the data can be retrieved. So if you can interview them face-to-face, if you can inquire from them face-to-face, on-site, pag mayroon silang data from website, pwedeng gamitin yan. Pero mas credible yung face-to-face interview kasi pag sa website, hindi naman nakalagay ng problems nila eh. Unless you will interview the owner, malalaman yung problems or challenges. And ito mga format. Introduction hanggang sa conclusion. So dapat complete with photo documentation para authentic yung case analysis. You have photo documentation, video documentation. And the format. What is the format? And these are the specifications. Around 10 pages. Submission, 10 pages, that is 10, I mean 10 pages the minimum. Pwede namang sumobra. 11, 12 pages, no? And September 14, it's important sa akin na localized talaga yung company. So that is for mga marketing subjects. Ito. Ayan, mga magtatanong dyan ha, ito yung mga covered na subject na ito. Term paper naman to. So ito para sa mga subject, parallel activity sa mga hindi sasama sa eduktor, for the subjects, feasibility, study, research and edu. Yan. Research and HMTM, marketing research subjects. Yan mga kasamang subjects dito sa term paper na to. So there is a title, term paper. So cover nito ito mga HMTM, edu, USBA. Instructions. So ganun din, local company in Pampanga. It can be finance cooperative, pawn shop, rural bank, or any lending institution, or any business, no? Pwede siyang retail. Pwede siyang retail business, pwede siyang service business, pwede siyang manufacturing, pwedeng finance cooperative. Basta you have proof na the business is in Pampanga through proof like business registration, vicinity map, pangalan ng owner, contact number, business address. Kasi we're going to contact those persons kung talagang na-interview sila. And interview the owners or managers on the trends. So you will focus on the trends, challenges that they have encountered. The students should follow the following format. So may title lang yung term paper. Student's name, first instructor's name, date of submission. So you have the format naman. So look for online sources about the samples of this term paper. Yeah, list all the references, sources cited. And photo documentation to lend credibility. May photo evidence. And requirements. Term paper should be printed in short band. Not more than 15. Submission date September 14. Minimum 15 pages, minimum. You can go beyond 15. 20, okay lang naman. Simulan ko dito baka na minimum of 15 pages. Okay, so those are my parallel activities sa mga non-joiners sa eduktor. And this has been Dr. Cortez signing off.